Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to show you what you can expect your plants to look like when you've ordered them from provenwinners.com. And this is for plants only from provenwinners.com. You can order Proven Winners plants from several other websites. So I have 4 boxes to open up today. I'm really excited to get into them and show you what I've got. But first, I do want to say that anyone at Proven Winners would recommend that you shop at your local garden center first, because oftentimes you can find a potentially bigger plant. You can take a look at all of them, pick out the one that you like the shape of the best. But sometimes they realize that you can't find the exact plant you're looking for. Like maybe you've seen a beautiful combination of plants. You can find 2 at your local garden center, but you need that third to kind of complete the look. So this is a great second option. Also, when you order online, there are shipping and handling costs involved, because you can't just toss a plant in a box and ship it out, because that plant will arrive in pieces. There'll be soil all over the place. There's a lot that goes into shipping these properly. They have to know exactly when to water the plant to where there's enough moisture to last during shipping, but not wet enough to where it's going to drip through the box. They also many times wrap them in plastic or paper so that soil doesn't get anywhere and that the branches are protected. So there's a lot that goes into shipping these plants. All right, so let's just get into this first box and see what we've got. So it looks like there's 4 in here. They're all wrapped in paper, and I'm just going to pull them all out quick. So we'll start with this one right here. This is a Rainbow Rhythm Tiger Swirl Daylily in a quart-sized container, and that's the smallest you can order perennials in. We've got a daisy here. This is Amazing Daisy's Banana Cream. Now, oftentimes you'll get plants, sometimes they'll be in bloom, sometimes they won't be. It just depends on the time of year that you're getting them in. A lot of times these quart-sized containers, the plants that are in them have been trimmed back, like you see this daylily's trimmed back a little bit. And that is just to promote better rooting and better branching of your plant. This is a little quick fire hydrangea. So this is a shrub in a quart-sized container right here. And you can tell very much that this one has been trimmed, and that will help the plant be thicker and bushier. And this one right here is an Oh So Easy Paprika Rose. That's a cute little plant right there. Looks very healthy. All right, let's get into the next box. There's individual boxes inside this large box. Whew. All right, this is the gallon size of the Amazing Daisy's Banana Cream. You can see a bloom right there. And I'm going to pop that off. Oftentimes on the smaller size plants, especially the ones in quart size, they recommend that you pop any blooms off that they might have, because then the plant won't send energy into blooming and keeping those blooms alive. It'll rather send energy into more foliage and better roots. But you can see right here that they've wrapped this in plastic, which has kept a little bit of that sloughed soil kind of contained. The plant itself looks really nice. And the difference in usually like timeline, this is usually a year behind. To give you kind of an idea, usually it takes about a year for this size of plant to grow into this size of plant. Oh, this is a rose. I am not reaching down in that box. I'm going to go ahead and cut the tape on the bottom here and bring it out through the bottom. Oh yeah, much safer that way. Oh, this one has a bloom on it, you guys. Look at that. Really pretty. That's what that rose looks like right there. So you can see the difference between quart and 1 gallon right there. Here we've got another little quick fire hydrangea. You can see it's got its beautiful fall color right now. There's our difference right there. That's pretty incredible. And there's our gallon size daylily. So there is a size comparison on the quart versus the gallon on the daylily. I think I'm gonna make a little bit of room here on the table. Oh my word. That is the 3-gallon size of this hydrangea here, the little quick fire. Let me line them up for you guys so you can see the difference here. I think that's such a good visual to see what's available online. There's quart, 1 gallon, and 3 gallon. It just depends on what size you want to plant in your garden. This is also a rose. We're going to go in from the bottom. Whoa! Whoa, oh my goodness, look at that rose. It is beautiful. All right, so let me line the roses up so you can see the difference. Again, we've got a quart size, 1 gallon, and 3 gallon. So depending on the size of plant you order, they may or may not be cut back a little bit. That is to encourage better branching, better root growth. That typically happens on the quart and 1 gallon size. When you get a 3-gallon, those are considered landscape ready plants. Those are usually ready to roll into your landscape. Also, most of these plants are greenhouse grown, so they might be off from your normal schedule. If you get something early in the season, it might be in bloom. If you are getting something late in the season, like right now, they may not be in bloom. So that all just depends on timing. So the whole point of explaining all of the differences between the sizes and just showing you what things might look like when they arrive is just to set your expectations, because oftentimes we're looking at pictures of these plants in their peak on the website, and there's a reason for that. They want you to know what the potential of each of these plants is. They want you to see what the blooms look like, what the plant looks like at maturity. You know, so if you're ordering a quart-size shrub like this plant has the potential to get to this size. It's just going to take some time to do that. So it just depends on what kind of money you want to spend on it, what kind of time you want to wait till the plant gets to its bigger size. And also, I do have a couple annuals I want to show you as well, because you can order annuals in grande size. I didn't have them in boxes today, but I had some shipped about, I don't know, a week, 10 days ago. So I just wanted to show you what they look like. They are beautiful. We've got a Lady Godiva calendula right here. This is a Bright Lights yellow, and they came in just absolutely beautiful for some of my fall plantings. So when you receive your plant order, you need to get those boxes opened up right away, get the plants watered, and then it's recommended to get them planted in the ground within 2 to 3 days. You want to water them regularly in their cans until you can do that. For these smaller cans, you might want to check them twice a day if it's during the hot part of the year, and then keep them consistently watered once you get them in the ground, like you would do with all of your newly planted things. Also, the morning after your plant order ships, you will receive an email confirmation that will have all of the shipping information, and you can track your order. When you get your order in, you will have in one of your boxes, this was in one of mine, there's a little catalog in there along with what I had on order. On the back side of the order, there is a guarantee policy. So they do guarantee if anything happens during transit, they will take care of it. They do require a picture because they want to see what happened, and they want to be able to refine the process and fix whatever it was. So that's it, you guys. I hope this video was helpful and maybe interesting, seeing all the different sizes that are available and comparing them, seeing the exact same plant in all the different stages that it can be ordered in. So if you've ever considered ordering online, I hope that this gives you a really good idea of what you will be getting. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.